Hello everyone, today is January 16, 2023. It's a Monday, and since it's Martin Luther King Day, the market is going to be open until 1 only. So there has not been that much activity in the market. There has been a couple of reasonable moves before the market in ES, but nothing really. The market has been in a moving higher for the last 2 or 3 days, maybe more. For the last actually 4 days has been moving higher, and has broken a couple of long-term resistance to the upside, but it seems that the market wants to take a rest before the earnings season start. So let's review the market. Before that, and I'm gonna say first that I have not taken any trades today, and I don't think that I'm gonna take any trades. The market has been very slow, very low volume, and it closes at 1. So no trades. There were a couple of setups that I'm gonna discuss, but let me tell you that I subscribe to another 2 accounts in Apex, other than the 2 that I had before, right here, and the one that I trade with my own money. Okay, so if you want to get an account with them, there's a promotion, 80% discount for the first month, and then the recurrent is going to be 80% for new accounts only. So make sure to look at the link in the description below, and also make sure to use the promo code so you can get the 80% discount. Okay, so couple of setups today. Before the market opened, you see that there was a nice run here at very early in the morning, and then the market came back down here, and then made a new high. So there is a break right there, and if you recognize this pattern, this one is a trend reversal breakout. I did not take it, but so what I did was to estimate what was going to be the target, because when you have a run like this, you see that the distance here, if you are using this tool here, you see that you can connect this low with that high, and then come back to this low here, and then you get a projection. So this one is the Fibonacci extensions tool, and then you get the sorry. And then you get the target right there at 100%, which is kind of the same distance from here to there than from here to that point there. So yeah, I did not take it. I basically, because market, as I said, market is too slow, and you have already a significant pivot high right there and a significant pivot low right there. So the market is kind of ranging in between these two. Came back up, yes, but right here it's kind of in the middle of the range. So I don't feel comfortable trading there with the volume that we have. Remember that if you take every single trade without thinking what the market is doing, you could be chopped out very easily. In this case, probably not, but because but you never know. So in this case, the candles are moving to the upside temporarily. So, but still, I don't feel that confident on trading this market today. Let's see, gold. Gold has also a nice setup today. So I do have the tool there. I use the same tool. If you see here, there is a. I'm sorry. If you see here, there is a channel or a compression area right there that was broken at that level right here. So you have two highs, and then you have one low, but you have multiple lows here. So this one was a fake out break, and then this one was also a fake out break, but then the market broke right here to the upside. So that one was a good entry as well. I did not take it. Again, I decided not to trade today. If you see in this case, if you connect, if you do the Fibonacci extensions, you have here, you have the low, then you have the high, and then coming back to the low right here. And then you know, the projection gives once the breakout is done here, the projection gives 100% there and 125% right there, which was kind of to very good objective or target for this particular trade. But the market has been very slow. Lot of time for you to take the trades if you wanted to take the trades. I am not in this market. I don't feel confident on taking trades because basically I don't want to be captured in these areas here, or if that happens in here, I would be captured in this area as well. So no, I'm not trading this. NQ, let's see, NQ, not that much move. You know, it's 10:30, and the market has had a couple of moves here. So this break to the downside here could have been a good entry, but there is some congestion here below or before the market opened. So again, not really confident on this market here. Crude moved to the downside in this area here. I'm pointing out this. Oh, come on, right there, that 30 minutes. So you have also some choppiness. You have a double top, a double bottom right here. You have a double top right there. For me, the range was forming here. It's in the green area, but not very convincing on where it wants to move. You have one move here, one move there, one move there. Very small and choppy. So yeah, you could have had some small targets, but in general, it has been moving sideways. So not really interested in trading that. I think that I'm gonna take the rest of the day off. Normally, I do trade until 11:30, but in this case, I'm not going to push it anymore. I think that I'm done with what I saw. And I didn't see that much volatility for me to jump into any trade today. Basically, this today could be a day where you want to sit on your hands, or at least put your charts into simulation, and then practice how you enter trades, how you put the targets. All of that thing is really good for you to understand or to get create the muscle to deal with the trades, even though you're losing in simulation. That is not a big deal, but so in that way, you know how to position yourself, where you're going to trade. Don't take every single week or every single trade around the chart, but just make sure to understand what are the setups that you're taking. All right, so feel free to connect to my Discord channel. There are some community. There is a community there that could answer your questions. Most of the time I do, but I do have some really good collaborators there that we can that you guys can take advantage of. All right, so thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you take care of yourself today. Don't overtrade. If you take any trades, be careful. Today is probably a good day to just look at what the market is doing. Thank you so much for watching.